already. Today I'm playing... I forgot. Single player mode of Custom Piggy Showcase. I'm gonna show you what every single one of these are. We first have a devil who has a scythe. Pretty cool. I would say that's pretty cool. No, not that devil. A different one. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hello, I am back. I don't want to go near that. I'm gonna turn these down. There's themes that go with them, and they're so loud. What's in here? Ooh. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'll just close that. Yeah. You play for 20 hours. Okay, this is a game reference. I'm not gonna... I know that. What that's from. If you know what that's from, hit a like. Number 4. Oh, pretty cool. Okay. That was pretty cool. Oh, Rusty Boy. Well, that guy's like a meme. No. That guy looks the coolest, in my opinion. This mutant piggy. Okay. Oh my god, it's Sans! My god, they added Sans, the Mad Lads. That thing's terrifying. It's like a mutant of all of them. It's just Mr. Potato. Oh my god, it's Pepper, but he's 2D. Ooh, this one's kinda... Oh, that's actually kind of creepy. Not gonna lie, that's probably one of the coolest I've seen. That's honestly pretty cool. Alright. What's this? Coffin dance? A knight? Oh, wow. Well, let's get everyone chasing me. Oh, well. We have Megalovania for Sans. Some creepy song for that. Ross010. I'm pretty sure every Undertale fan ever. Honestly, that's a meme. And... Anyway. This is a pretty cool game. The creatures, they look sick. Favorite? It's definitely this one in here. Yes, I am. Because... Look at him. He looks really cool. Anyway, that's all I can say for this game. It's an amazing game. The things are amazing. And that's all. I'll see you whenever I post again.